have Magnus here. Explain to us what you are working on.
Well,
I see you have removed the roof here.
yeah, and you know, you can't remove the roof before you have removed some of the interior. So right now we're trying to figure out the hidden screws that are screwed around here and there, and it's, you know, gotta be a bit of a detective and do some detective work trying to
find all the
hidden screws.
Is it getting loose?
Yeah, I mean, we do have some movement, but there is something I'm missing.
It's probably a hidden screw somewhere.
I've been looking like all over, but
So this is the starboard bedroom in the back. It's just being used as a storage place.
yeah, for trash right now.
Yeah, some of it is it's a bit of trash. Here we have the stair that goes out into the doghouse, but it's minus 14 degrees outside, so we are trying to keep the heat inside.
My name is Johnny Oxfield, and welcome to Jackass.
We can do a quick tour of the whole boat. So this is the saloon where we hang out. We have this diesel oven, which is currently disconnected. This is the galley, and this is the front bedroom. I don't know if you call it bedroom in English, but this is where Magnus hangs out. It's his room. It's the biggest one. It's pretty nice with a lot of storage underneath here. And in front of that again, we have the chain room with all the sails, or almost all the sails of the boat. And if we open the floor here, we have the propeller shaft, and yeah, not too much rust. We will take care of this with some protection, but it's fine. I've seen much worse rust than this. Puzzle. Inside here we have the big hatch for the motor. It's very good accessibility in here. You can easily service all the parts, like this impeller, which needs to be changed every now and then. Extra fuel filters. This is the back of the diesel tank. The diesel tank runs across the whole keel. and I think it's around 600 liters, something like this. And from the tank here, fuel goes to this pump, and this pump is yeah, it's quite old, and we have this valve here on the top, and it's important to close this valve after using the pump. If not, the diesel will return from the day tank into this pump, and it's apparently it's leaking. So yes, that is about it for the boat tour. I see Magnus here has gotten and we have progress. Very good. Okay, back to work, and see you soon.
One eternity later.
After moving the boat from Asker to Oslo, we continued the interior work. Nights turned into days as summer came, and we had to dedicate all of our free time in order to be finished with the restoration work before our departure date in fall. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got a very special guest here tonight. We have Christine. She is painting our walls. It's coming along. It's gonna be a good and white color. Yes. Okay, so Magnus, we are done or almost done painting the walls.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's gotten quite nice. We decided to, use floor paint as the paint expert suggested because of its resistance. But, we kind of discovered that it doesn't really hide imperfections that well. Yeah, so it's painted, but still a lot of imperfections if you have the light on the side. But, I think the easy solution here would be to go over with a 400 grain, so it doesn't get any more reflections from the imperfections. But we'll see.
Yeah. And also we got rid of the old stove. There's like a pipe going out there if you want to. We're thinking of replacing it with an electric one instead, and maybe use this for the exhaust.
Yeah, I mean,
Or smoke detector.
this boat was built for the Arctic, and we're not going to be in the Arctic that much, so
Yeah, still be nice with some way of having some heat.
Many months later.
What is going on here?
wow. Got some gluing everything together. Well, I mean, it's coming.
It's coming along. It's coming along. Recording.
Yeah.
So what is interesting is this little box right here. It's an automatic antenna tuner for this antenna. And apparently it's a long distance, long wave radio, or AM I think it's called. And with this you can communicate with aliens. Oh. Stay tuned for the next episode where we lift this bad girl out of the water for a very much needed makeover. And as always, like and subscribe.